Welcome back. So today I decided I want some soji, so I decided to make the ultimate dessert at any weddings is wedding soji, which is super delicious. You can add almonds to it if you want, you can add some cream. It's really nice, really quick, really tasty. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button down below so you can catch all the latest videos as they come out. What we're going to need is 125 grams of semolina with a pinch of salt and a quarter teaspoon of cardamom or ilachi powder. And you're going to need 125 grams of butter and 125 ml of water. So for the first process, we're going to fry our semolina, salt and cardamom in a pan that is nice and a golden brown. Then we're going to add in our butter slowly, then add in our water, put it on a medium heat and let that cook for a while. Then in the meantime, we're going to take our 125 ml of milk, 60 grams of sugar and 60 ml of condensed milk, mix it together until it's evenly coated, and you can add some yellow coloring if you like that soji color for a wedding, and just mix it until it's even consistency. Then gradually add it to our fried mixture, and then it'll come together within about 20 minutes, and you just keep stirring it in the pot on medium heat. There you have it, some super awesome delicious soji. You can have it with some almonds or however you like it. I prefer without almonds and to have it with some cream and some sweets. Super delicious. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button down below so you catch all the latest videos as they come out. Sweet guys.